Hi, let us talk in brief about the different Prakruthi types and their eating habits. Why should we know this? It is because it will help us to make the right food choices. At least we can avoid the wrong food items. About Vata predominant persons, that is the persons of Vata Prakruthi, they tend to eat a large meal. Bahubhuja, that is they are more likely to eat more, that too in one particular meal. This is not a good idea, and they should try to eat small meals and frequent meals. They should increase the frequency or the number of times they eat, but with each meal the food should be in moderate amounts, not in excess amount. And the preferred tastes of these persons are swadamla lavana, that is sweet taste, sour taste and salty taste are preferred by these persons. They also enjoy hot foods. Regarding a person of Pitta predominance in his Prakruthi, he has a tendency to overeat, and this is not with a particular meal. He has his general tendency to eat every 2 hourly or so because his Agni is very intense. Tikshna Trishna Ambu Bhukshaha. He has always that hunger and thirst, and the preferred tastes of these persons are Madhura Tikta Kashaya rasas, that is sweet taste, astringent taste and bitter taste. They also enjoy cold foods. So because of this excessive hunger and thirst plus their affinity towards the cold and sweet items, these persons are more likely to eat more of those ice creams, pastries, chocolates and so on. So if they understand that it is because of their Prakruthi they are overeating these particular food items, it will help them to have a control over this. Regarding Kapha predominant persons, these persons can withstand hunger and thirst, and even with little quantities of food they remain strong. And the preferred tastes are Tikta, Kashaya and Kadu rasas, that is bitter, astringent and pungent taste. They also enjoy hot and dry foods. So these persons have a tendency to eat more of the fast foods or foods which are predominant in these dry or hotness or spicy foods, and even though they do not need that much food, because they prefer these tastes, they have a tendency to overeat. So if they understand this, they can also have a control over their eating habit. So that is it in brief about the different Prakruthis and their eating habits.